I request everybody to settle down as we'll be starting shortly. Are you guys nervous? Well, we're going to start in a few minutes, so please settle down. Thank you. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the Gera's Greensville Neighborhood Community event, Sing for Joy. At Gera Developments, it is our constant endeavor to bring our customers together and create communities of like-minded families. Sing for Joy is the second event in the Meet the Legend series. And this morning, we have amongst us our esteemed guests. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for the MD of Gera Developments, Mr. Rohit Gera, Chairman of Gera Developments, Mr. Kumar Gera and Mrs. Nalini Gera, Mr. Sridhar Ranganathan, CEO of the Shankar Mahadevan Music Academy, who is also Shankar Mahadevan's classmate and childhood friend. He's the founder and CEO of the Shankar Mahadevan Academy and Clued On Inc. And, of course, our guest of honor and legendary music icon of our times, Shankar Mahadevan. A huge round of applause for him. Shankar Mahadevan is an award-winning composer and playback singer who is part of the Shankar Ehsaan Loy composing trio team for many Bollywood films. He is a 4 times winner of the National Award, 3 times for the Best Male Playback Singer, and once for the Best Music Director. Mahadevan is also the founder of the Shankar Mahadevan Academy, which provides online music lessons in Indian music for students worldwide. What makes Shankar very special to us is that he is a child-centric guru, and his academy will coach children from our child-centric families in Pune and Bangalore. Shankar is a multifaceted personality. His first album, Breathless, released in 1998, received international acclaim. He has given playback to countless Hindi, Tamil and Kannada songs. Shankar also has numerous awards to his credit. Well, it is a little known fact that Shankar is a computer science and software engineer. He also enjoys cooking and loves to experiment with food in his free time. He has been a team captain, judge and mentor on the Star Plus musical show Music Ka Mahamukabla for the Shankar's Rockstars team, which won Music Ka Mahamukabla 2010, and he has also been a mentor on the Zee TV musical reality show Saregama Pa 2012. Today, he will mentor and judge our teams as they sing for joy. A huge round of applause for Shankar Mahadevan once again. I would now request MD of Gera Developments, Mr. Rohit Gera, to please come on stage and declare the Sing for Joy open.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So much nicer, so much nicer. I'm delighted to be here this morning. Least of which is for having one of our legends, Mr. Shankar Mahadevan, to be in our midst. But also, equally importantly, is because of what we are doing here. You know, we believe that doing housing projects is part of what we do, but the real benefit and the real pleasure as far as we're concerned comes when we have a cohesive community that we create. So we don't see ourselves as just developers building housing projects, but we look at ourselves more as creating housing communities. And child-centric homes is one of those kind of projects, and our goal over this yesterday and today was to try and get people from Sky Villas who are already residing there, Trinity Towers who are moving in, and Song of Joy who will be moving in the near future, to get to know each other. And I have to tell you, those of you in the back, I think you're at the back, the ones who didn't gather up the courage to come up here and sing, because I'll tell you this, Anita's been pushing people, whipping people to try and join in, to participate. And she's, yeah, please, thank you, round of applause for Anita. And she says the number of people who said, "Arey, I can't go up and sing. Pagal hai, marna hai kya?" Right? So obviously the people who have decided to come up have that little extra, I think either they have the guts, the talent, or they're tone deaf. Right? It's one of the three things. But I was there yesterday at the practice, and I think they're all awesome. Right? But those of you who are not performing, for not performing, you have to show your appreciation and support for those who have had the guts to come up here and perform. Okay? So let's give them a huge round of encouragement, support. If you want to, sing along, cheer along. If you like something and you want to jump up and dance, just go ahead and do it, okay? Because this entire event is, while yes, it's about the music, right? It's also about showing how music gets us together, gets us energized, gets us to get to know each other better, and that's really what the crux of this entire event is. So, thank you all for coming out, and let's have a fun morning. Thank you.
Once again, a huge round of applause for Mr. Gera. And now we begin. So I would like to call upon the very first team for the day. Give a huge round of applause for the first team, Lucknow Ke Nawab.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
पालकी में मिलके मुराद लाई, जन्नत का नूर लेके मेहंदी की रात आई। रुख पे सहेलियों के ख्वाबों की रोशनी है, सबने दुआएं मांगी रबे को भूल की, ये हाथों में मेहंदी है शादी आई। चांदार बार आए रात का मुराद लाई, जन्नत का नूर लेके मेहंदी की रात आई। रुख पे सहेलियों के ख्वाबों की रोशनी है, सबने दुआएं मांगी रबे को भूल की, ये हाथों में मेहंदी है शादी
That was indeed a lovely performance. Once again, a huge round of applause for Team Lucknow ke Nawab. It does take a lot of courage to be the first one. I'd request judges to please note down their points. And I now call upon stage the second team for the day, Asman. Ladies and gentlemen, give a huge round of applause for the second team, Asman.
Hello. Hello. Asman.
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाइए तारे ज़मीं पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाइए तारे ज़मीं पर। जैसे आँखों की टिपिया में निंदिया, और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना, और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई। जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की प्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। तो ये तो आशा की लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की नहर है, खो न जाइए तारे ज़मीं पर। देखो सर्दियों में ये तो झिल मिल किसी लौ से उगे हैं। ये तो आंधिया की खुशबू है बागों से बह चले। जैसे कांच में चूड़ी के टुकड़े, जैसे खिले खिले फूलों के मुखड़े, जैसे बंसी कोई बजाए पेड़ों के तले। ये तो झोंके पवन के है वो घुंघरू जीवन के। ये तो सुर है चमन के, खो न जाइए। तारे ज़मीं पर मोहल्ले की रौनक गलियां है जैसे, खिलने की जिद पर कलियां है जैसे। मुट्ठी में मौसम की जैसे हवाएं, ये है बुजुर्गों की दिल की दुआएं। खो न जाइए तारे ज़मीं पर।
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Asma. That was indeed a heartwarming performance. Now we have our next team for the day, Man Ke Meet. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Man Ke Meet.
All of you keep your mics close like this. Yeah. Yeah. All set? Yes? Okay. F. Ready. I'll give the cue. You can start. 1, 2. First music. 1, 2.
बता दे तू
That was indeed energetic, don't you think? So I would now like to call our next team for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, give a huge round of applause for Greensville Raga.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ready?
इश्क की धूनी रोज जलाए उठता धुआं तो कैसे छुपाए हो अखियां करे जी हजूरी हो मांगे हैं तेरी मंजूरी कजरा सियाही दिन रंग जाए तेरी कस्तूरी रैन जगाए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए ओ चाहे भी तो चैन न पाए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए 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 ओ चाहे भी तो भूल न पाए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए के दाने प्रीत की चादर आया तेरे शहर में राजा तेरा दुनिया जमाना झूठा फसाना जीने मरने का वादा साचा तेरा मन मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए हो चाहे भी तो भूल न पाए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए हो चाहे भी तो झूल न पाए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए
Yet another energetic performance. Audiences, I think the claps should be equally energetic, for the teams have taken up a lot of courage to come here. I call upon the next team on stage, Breathless Fans. A huge round of applause for Breathless Fans.
नाज है। ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है उस पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना, पर यार बात समझा साथ हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, चुनते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हम जीतते हार से इंडिया वाले, दुनिया के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। तो सीधे बड़े जो भी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा, हम तो परवाह नहीं, जो भी चाहता है कहने दे जब ये भला या बुरा, कैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी, इंडिया वाले छुड़े दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत के हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, उन्हीं के सबके नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले। आंखों की चाबी से थोड़ा बेताबी है, चुपके से खोले दिलों के ताले, हमको क्या ले जाना, यारों के दिल में हो ठिकाना, हम एक बार होता है प्यार तो लाख बार के तारे, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छुड़े दे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे उंगली पे सबको नचा दे, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Once again, a huge round of applause for Breathless fans for such a breathtaking performance. We have our next team for the day, the Geraniums. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Team Geraniums.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Check.
Hello.
Yes, all your mics. Keep it close to yourself because
Hello.
we have to hear. Yeah, very nice. So first
Hello.
musical play.
Hello.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, start.
बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कहीं कहीं है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो, हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कहीं कहीं है धूप जिंदगी। पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो ना जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है बस वो ही सबसे हंसी है। उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो,
शंकर महादेव।
Another beautiful performance. We have the next team for today, the Music Family. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for the Music Family.
Hello. All your mics are ready?
Yes.
Hello. Yes. Give you the beating in, then you start it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
People on the floor, come and get some more. People on the floor, come and get some more. मैं राज दिलों पे करती हूँ मन चले है धन्नो नाम मेरा। ओ धन्नो, ओ धन्नो, ओ धन्नो धन्नो। मुश्किल बढ़ गई है जाने क्या होगा हश्र तेरा। ओ धन्नो, ओ धन्नो, ओ धन्नो धन्नो। मेरे नूरानी चेहरे से ना तेरी नजर हटेगी, ना तेरे दिन गुजरेंगे, ना तेरी रात कटेगी, कटेगी, कटेगी। अपनी तो जैसे तैसे, थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे, हाँ अपनी तो जैसे तैसे, थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे कट जाएगी। आपका क्या होगा जनाब अली, आपका क्या होगा। अपने आगे ना ना पीछे, ना कोई ऊपर नीचे रोने वाला, ना कोई रोने वाली जनाब अली, आपका क्या होगा? तन्हाई में रात की परछाई में रहा ना दिल का पंछी कहीं अकेला रे। ओ नन्नो, ओ नन्नो, ओ नन्नो, नन्नो, ओ हसीनों का मैं बंदा, मोहब्बत मेरा धंधा, मेरे आगे पीछे परियों का मेला रे। मेरे बाद दीवाने तुझको ना कोई और जचेगी, ना तेरे दिन गुजरेंगे, ना तेरी रात कटेगी, अपनी तो जैसे तैसे, थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे, हाँ अपनी तो जैसे तैसे, थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे कट जाएगी। आपका क्या होगा जनाब अली, आपका क्या होगा? हाँ अपने आगे ना पीछे, ना कोई ऊपर नीचे रोने वाला, ना कोई रोने वाली जनाब अली, आपका क्या होगा? People on the floor, come and get some more. People on the floor, come and get some more. People on the floor, come and get some more. Thank you.
That was indeed one musical family. A huge round of applause once again for them. We have our second last team for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Rhythm of Life.
Hello.
All
Hello.
set? 1 minute. Give. They'll give the music first and then you start. Ready? 1.
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, कोई कहे कहता रहे तो तुम अपनी धुन में गाओ। दुनिया रूठे रूठने दो, बंदे टूटे टूटने दो, कोई टूटे टूटने दो, ना घबराओ। हम हैं नए, अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना। हम हैं नए, अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना। Sing along। हम हैं नए, अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना।
Is everyone enjoying? Can't hear you guys. Well, it's not over. We have the last performance for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the last team, Shankar Serenaders. A huge round of applause for them. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Strong.
Hello.
You're the last, but you have to be the strongest, right? One.
Hello.
तुझ संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, तुझ संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, जहाँ ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा। इश्क 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 इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम, तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम। ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क, इश्क 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 इश्क।
तुम जो कह दो तो आज की रात चांद डूबेगा नहीं, रात को रोक लो, रात की बात है और जिंदगी बाकी तो नहीं।
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं। तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी, लेकिन जिंदगी तो नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं। इश्क 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 इश्क। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। इश्क 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 इश्क। तेरी काली आँखों से जिंद मेरी जागे, सपनों से तेज दौड़ूं सपनों से आगे। अब जान लुट जाए ये जहां छूट जाए, संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं। सजदा तेरा सजदा, दिन रैन करूं नहीं चैन करूं। सजदा तेरा सजदा, सजदा दिन रैन करूं नहीं चैन करूं। सजदा तेरा सजदा, सजदा सजदा तेरा सजदा, सजदा तेरा सजदा। लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन हो। लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन। सिंदरी दा सेवन दा सकी शाबाश कलंदर। दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली का पहला नंबर। दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली का पहला नंबर। हो लाल मेरी पत मेरी, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, 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 मस्त कलंदर, मस्त कलंदर, मस्त कलंदर। गमदनी सा, गमदनी सा, गमदनी सा। थैंक यू।
That was the last performance for the day. Once again, a huge round of applause for all the teams. It's taken a lot of courage for them to come up here and sing these wonderful, wonderful songs. The results are going to be said in a little few minutes. But before that, I would now like to call upon stage Chairman of Gera Development, Mr. Kumar Gera, and Shankar Mahadevan, to talk about the importance of music in our lives. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause.
That was just outstanding, everybody. Give a little voice in these monitors, please.
So, Shankar, shall we set the ball rolling?
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm going to ask Shankar a few questions. Some of them are serious, some of them in the lighter vein, and some a little personal. Trust that's okay.
Absolutely, sir.
All right. The first one is a personal from my point of view. Listening to all these talented people, I was reminded of when I got married. And that's a long time ago. But I remember when I was trying to sing, my wife told me, she said, you must continue singing, but sing very softly so that nobody can hear you. Now, I know there are many like me in the audience who like music, who enjoy music, but just don't have it within them to sing. So, Shankar, my question to you really is, that is it possible for you to come up with like a book or a booklet titled Music for Dummies, and how we who can't sing, who can't play an instrument, but do like music, how can we learn to appreciate the nuances and the finer points of music without being specialists in the field? Can you give us some tips?
It's a wonderful idea, sir. Actually, I was thinking on the other spectrum, you know, writing a book on music with respect to management and all that. But you opened a new door only now. I should definitely consider writing this Music for Dummies. Dummies does not mean you're a dummy, you know what I mean? I think beginners or people who want to know more about music. I think the whole idea is not about being able to sing or become Lata Mangeshkar or Kishore Kumar. The idea is to enjoy the experience and look at this. I mean, I must have done, you know, thousands of events, but let me be very honest. I'm not telling because I'm over here. I have never done an event like this in my life, where it's a housing community, and more than anything, you know, I mean, it's too early for me to comment, you know, this nuances of music or intricacies of music, but a big round of applause for all this enthusiasm. Really. So this enthusiasm it's what triggers the joy of music, and I think if everybody understands a little bit, I'm sure that they'll be able to enjoy the experience of music rather than, you know, just wanting to become a great singer or become the #1 singer of the country. Music is beyond all that.
Okay. Now, there are a lot of young parents here, and every young parent's very high priority is their children. What would you say that music, teaching music to children in their childhood can have an impact in their life, in their adulthood? Now, they may not become musicians, or they may not get into it professionally as a livelihood, and they may enter any other field and continue there. But that training in music in their early years, how can it impact them positively in other spheres later?
Tremendous. I mean, music has got a tremendous power. It's got a power. What is music basically? It's communication. You're communicating a feeling to the listener. So when you can communicate well, I think you can make the person laugh, make the person cry, make the person emotional, make the person, very focused. You got a lot of aspects of music which through subconsciously you are inculcating in the listener or the student. So if a person is learning music, I think there are a lot of qualities that subconsciously comes into the person. So children especially, as they grow up, if you've got a little bit of music with you or within you, I think a person can never ever be lonely. Music becomes your friend, you know. You think music, you're listening to music, you're enjoying music, and you get into a world which is so beautiful and simple. In one word, it is just joy. And joy, I think today is the most important aspect of everybody's life. Yeah. So music gives you joy, and joy, you know, gives you peace of mind. And if you have peace of mind, you've got many other things that you can function beautifully if your mind is at peace.
One of the things I saw today, these teams that came up, and I'm given to understand that they were put together just maybe a day or two ago. One of the things I saw was the need for them to have team spirit and work as a team, which I think if you are into this field, you mentioned about management and music. So other than developing and inculcating the spirit of team spirit, which is so important to succeed in any organization, what are the other things like that would link up with management and music?
Lots of stuff actually. Focus. I mean, you got to be focused. I mean, you could see that all those people who were looking at the sheet and they were 100% focused, you know. Focus is one thing. And as you said, team spirit. You know, it's not about one person singing loudly and the other person, you know, not being heard at all. It's about, in a band like this, for example, you know, if that guy plays some other rhythm and he plays some other chords, it'll never gel. It's about everybody has to contribute towards a team spirit. So team spirit is one thing. Creativity, you know, creativity is so important. I mean, you have to be creative in any field, whether you're a manager or whether you're into buildings or whether you're, I mean, you have to create at any point in life. And music is a creative art, you know. So there are so many aspects which you can link.
Right. So now moving on to one of the other areas, I came to learn that, you know, Sangeeta is your wife.
Yeah.
And Sangeet is your life. So how did this happen? These two words, was it because her name was Sangeeta that you loved Sangeet?
Got into music?
Yeah. No, but I understand that she, you know her from childhood. You all grew up in the same neighborhood. Badminton was your passion.
Yeah.
All that I know. But tell us the little greater details about her role in your success and what she has done to back you up.
I think whatever success I've got in my life, she plays a very, very important role. Because I think spouses contribute to a lot of your energy in your work, in your core competence. Now she's the one who stood by me. For example, I was an engineer. I was a successful engineer, and I wanted to try out music, you know. And she could have easily, I was just about to get married to her. She could have easily told me, no, you're doing a very cushy job, and you know, we can shift to America and we can earn thousands of dollars and let it be secured. You know, you don't try out into all these music and all. You never know whether you're going to become successful or no. But she encouraged me. She said, you know, she just told me one line which I remember, that they said, you know, you try it out. You have to try it out. It's now or never. Because I really feel that there can be 1 million engineers, but there can be only one Shankar Mahadevan. And that's her encouragement that brought me here.
So that's credit to her.
Yeah, complete credit. Completely, yeah.
So, which was the first song you sang to her? Just a few lines.
Yeah, of course.
But tell us which one it was and who, because at that time, Shankar Mahadevan was not on the scene.
There was nothing.
So whose song was it and what did you sing to her?
I'll tell you, and I still sing that to her.
Yes.
It's one of my most favorite, beautifully composed romantic songs ever. And the song goes like this. Abhi na jao chhod kar. If you feel like clapping, clap loudly on here. Ke dil abhi bhara nahi, abhi na jao chhod kar, ke dil abhi bhara nahi.
So I wish she was here today.
See, that's what life is all about. Yeah. You should feel that it's never enough. Yeah. That's the feeling you should get.
That's lovely.
That's how life passes away, you know, really fast.
I'm going to ask my team to make sure that this clip of our talk about Sangeeta is sent to her.
Yes, please. I'm missing her here. She would have enjoyed it.
Please make sure that it goes to her. You know, this concept of child-centric, which is in the public domain now, and we are implementing the project. One of the things that I realized in life is that a lot of us have abilities and talents within us that never come out to the surface. They stay buried within us till we go to our graves, because we never get the opportunity.
Absolutely.
So our endeavor in this was doing something more than house after house after house, project after project after project, that how can value be added to give children an opportunity, which unfortunately is not available to a great extent in our schools, which the commute problem hampers parents from even doing it if they have the desire and the time involved, and with both parents working. So with this background, we wanted to give them several options. And now, as you know, the options, you're aware of it, there are about 5 or 6 of them, from dramatics to chess to tennis to cricket and music. Why should it be music first? Why would you sell music over Mahesh Bhupati or Kumble?
No, I wouldn't
Tell
say,
us that.
I wouldn't say that music should be over tennis, because I think a good singer can be a good tennis player also, isn't it?
Okay.
I think the whole idea is fantastic, sir. And what I liked about today's event is normally an event like this is conducted to sell the idea, you know. But this is not about selling. You all have already sold it. You all are already the customers. Yeah. And so this shows your intent. This shows what your intent is. And all the people who are associated, like Kumble and Shamak, they're all very dear friends of mine. And I think they are the best in the business. I think an idea like that it's very unique, and I was completely blown when Sridhar, my partner, he told me about you all and this whole idea. That's why I readily agreed, because I think the kids, not only the kids, I could see one old gentleman over there. I wouldn't call him old, but you know, but he was rocking over there. You know, the enthusiasm is just amazing. So I mean, a facility like this coming, so you learn music, then go and play tennis, then learn dancing. Yeah. I think everybody can dance. Why not? Yeah. And coming to music, in our country, every single person is a singer. I'm not talking about Surila, Besura, Talme, Betalme. I'm not even coming to that. In the Western world, what happens is people listen to music and they groove, you know. But over here, everybody wants to sing. Everybody wants to sing. Acha ga raha hai, nahi ga raha hai, sur mein ga raha hai, nahi ga raha hai. Having a shower, walking on the streets, every individual in our country is a singer. In their hearts. Some of them, they feel that I'm better than Kishore Kumar also. But it is a spirit, you know, and that is the beauty of music.
Yeah. You know, I remember hearing a very nice comment. Do you sing when you're happy? Or are you happy when you sing?
It's a big cycle, you know. I'm happy because I sing. And when I sing, I feel happy. Really. Yeah. And more than anything, I think this is the only profession, sir, where I'm happy when I'm singing. Y'all are happy when you're listening to me. And when I perform, I make money also. Yeah. Can you think of any other profession like this? Yeah, maybe painting, other stuff. But over here, it's beautiful. I feel blessed.
Shankar, you made a comment just now about most events like this would be to sell an idea to prospective customers. But this is for our existing customers. But let me tell you the real reason behind it. We are selling it to you. You know why? You've agreed to support us in this. But we want you to see the enthusiasm, the commitment here, so that when you come back and your academy is set up here, at that time you'll give it your real best.
Absolutely.
And that's what they want.
I promise you that.
Okay.
All those people who must have been here since yesterday, you all must have experienced Padma, Karthik, and ma'am over here. Did you all have a good time with them? Please give them a loud round of applause. They are the pillars of our academy, and we have many more teachers like this, and we are all involved in this. Our mission is not to make great Pandit Bhimsen Joshis out of you all, or Pandit Jasraj's, or Lata Mangeshkar, or Kishore Kumar, or
Shankar Mahadevan.
Or no. I'm far from that. But to just give you all happiness. And if you all feel happy, I think we have achieved our target. That's it.
I think on that note, Shankar, I'm going to leave you. But I'm leaving you with a request. I'm going down there. To listen to you. Give us a few of your favorite songs.
I'll sing a bit of some few songs, whatever you all want. Is there anything specific you all want? You know, breathless एकदम पुराना मामला है वो. चलो वो breathless भी गाऊंगा चलो. See, this is something absolutely. Actually, sing for joy. The joy of music is the mission of my academy, you know, which Sridhar and me we have formed, and it's Sing for Joy over here. It's really tying in fantastically. So I'd really like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Gera, Rohit, for giving me this opportunity of being over here as part of your family. And I really hope and pray that my academy, when it is in your complex, it really benefits you all. Not to become great singers, but if we can give you all some joy, the whole enthusiasm, the whole experience, I think we would have achieved a lot. And a loud round of applause to all these musicians over here. I'd like to sing 4 lines of a prayer first, because this is a new venture over here, and which the first time I think I'm also associating with a housing complex like this, seeing so many families. So this is a prayer for all of you all. गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणवन्दिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रवेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. थैंक यू. अच्छा अभी बताइए कौन सा गाना गाऊं? I'll sing one song which one of the groups had sung. I felt like singing that one. चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है बस वही सबसे हंसी है. उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो मेहरबान कल हो न हो. Everybody sing with me, come on. हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो. ओ पलकों के लेके साए पास कोई जो आए, लाख संभालो पागल दिल को, दिल धड़के ही जाए. पर सोच लो इस पल है जो ये दास्तां कल हो ना हो. अभी क्या? Somebody wanted a Marathi song. I don't remember that one actually. परवरदिगार 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 पर चिंता 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 परवरदिगार 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 जाएगा। Short snippets, huh? Whatever you all want. Tamil? अच्छा ये तो मल्टी कम्युनिटी है ना, गाना पड़ेगा. Give me E minor. இல்லை இல்லை சொல்ல ஒரு கணம் போதும், இல்லை என்று சொல்லை தாங்குவதென்றால் இன்னும் இன்னும் எனக்கு ஒரு ஜன்மம் வேண்டும். This is the song for which I got my first national award. சந்தன தென்றலை ஜன்னல்கள் தண்டித்தல் நியாயமா நியாயமா, காதலில் கேள்விக்கு கண்களில் பதில் என்ன மௌனமா மௌனமா மௌனமா. Okay, last song. Okay, give me E. This is again a song which one team sang really beautifully. मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस ओर चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू, जो है कही जो है सुनी वो बात क्या है पता। मितवा ये खुद से तो ना तो छुपा। Little more voice in the monitors up. जीवन डगर में प्रेम नगर में आया नजर में जब से कोई है, तू सोचता है तू पूछता है जिसकी कमी थी क्या ये वही है, हाँ ये वही है, हाँ ये वही है। प्यासा और ये नदी है, काहे कोई अपने को ऐसे तरसाए, जो है कही जो है सुनी वो बात क्या है बता। कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा, ये खुद से तो ना तो छुपा। See, I'll tell you the advantage of learning classical music. Classical music is like water, it flows into any form of music. Now this is a film song. Midwa Gama gari da bani da ni da ri da ni da ri da ri da ni da ma gari da ni da gama ba ma gari da ni da gama da ba ma ga ba ba da ba ma ga ba da ba ma ga ba ma gari da ni da gama da ba da ma ga gama ba ni da ni da ba ma re ga ma re ma gari da ni da gama ba ni da ni ri gari da ni da ba ma re ga ma ga re gama ba ni da ni मितवा मितवा ga ma ga ri da re ga ba ba ni da re ni ni da 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 ba ba re ga ba ba re ba ga re ba ga ri da re ga ba ba ni 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 da da ni da da ni da Okay. For the next part, I want you all to give me the rhythm from the beginning to the end. Okay. Low octave. कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसा लग जाता जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों के रुत और रंगों की बरगाह खुशबू की आंधी है महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं महकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं जागी उमंगे धड़क रहा है दिल सांसों में डूबा होठों में नगमे आंखों में सपनों में बीते हुए सारे वो लम्हे जब कोई आया था नजरों पे छाया था दिल में समाया कदम मैं बताऊं तुम्हें कैसे मुझे पाया था प्यारे से चेहरे पे बिखरी जो तू बेदायरा लगे दादा जैसे कोहरे के पीछे एक ओट में तू फूल खिलाए जैसे बादल में एक चांद छुपाए और झांक रहा है जैसे रात के पर्दे में सवेरा है रोशन रोशन आंखों पे सपनों का सागर जिसमें प्रेम सितारों की चादर जैसे झलक रही लहरों लहरों बात करे तो जैसे मोती बरसे जैसे कहीं चांद की पायल गूंजे जैसे कहीं शीशे के जाम गिरे और छन से टूटे जैसे कोई चपके सितार बजाए जैसे कोई चांदनी रात में गाए जैसे कोई हॉल से पास बुलाए कैसे मेरी बातें थी वो कैसे मुलाकात थी वो जब मैंने जाना था नजरों से कैसे बिगड़ने और आरज़ू बाती है कैसे मंजिल और कैसे उतरता है चांद ज़मीन पर कैसे कभी लगता है स्वर्ग करे तो बस यहीं पर उसने बताया मुझे और समझाया मुझे हम जब मिले हमें ऐसे ही मिल गुल जो खिले उन्हें ऐसे ही खिलना था जन्म के बंधन जन्म के रिश्ते जब हम जन्मे तो हम यूं मिलते आनों में मेरे जैसे शहर से गुले लगे गाँव के जरे आँखों में गुले लगे गाँव की दुनिया पे कितनी हंसी और कैसे रंगीन गाँव की दुनिया जो कहने को थी पर कहीं भी नहीं हाँ मुझे टूटे मेरे आँख जो खुली मेरी होश जो आया मुझे मैंने देखा मैंने जाना मुझे कभी आया नजरों पे छाया दिल में जमाया जहाँ भी झुकाए और दिल में रहे अब तनहा तनहा ना तो कोई अरमाए ना कोई तमन्ना और ना कोई सपना अब जो मेरे दिन ना रहा जो मेरी रातें उनमें दिल आज उनमें दिल दर्द की रंज की बातें और फरियाद मेरा अब कोई नहीं मैं और खोए हुए प्यार की याद मैं और खोए हुए प्यार की याद मैं और खोए हुए प्यार की याद Thank you very much. Love you people. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you musicians. Thank you. And the winner is
Shankar, I would request you to please come back on stage. Once again, a huge round of applause for Shankar Mahadevan, ladies and gentlemen.
To announce them, you have to announce the winner, sir.
So, any guesses for the top performing team, the winner? Any guesses at all? So we have the first runners-up, which is the Shankar Serenaders. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for them. I request the team to come up on stage.
I think audience, you all can do better than this. Come on, give them a loud round of applause. This is not about winning. This is not about winning at all. This is just the joy of music.
The top participants are Aparajita, Nimish, Ashish, Samta, Riddhi, Siddhi and Monica. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Shankar Serenaders, who are the first runner-up.
Can I give this back?
And our winners for today is the Music Family. I call upon stage the Music Family. The members of the Music Family are Akanksha, Alok, Dilip, Shruti, Manisha and Subhash. And let me tell you, their points are 79. And the runners-up team points were 77. A huge round of applause for the Music Family once again. Please come up on stage.
More than anything, it is the fun that this team had. It was infectious, really. Especially, where is he? Him. You're only as old as you think you are, I'm telling you.
Once again, a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I would now like to call upon the rest of the participating teams on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for all the participating teams. I would like to call upon Lucknow Ke Nawab to collect their certificates as well. A huge round of applause for Team Lucknow Ke Nawab. Let me tell you, it was the very first team that performed as well. The name of the participants are Amar Singh, Neerja, Shubhangi, Amita and Sonali. I would now like to call upon Team Asma. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Team Asma as well. We have Vijaya, Sushila, Gopal Krishna, Pulipati, Vamshi and Little Star Advika as well. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for this team as well. The next team is Team Man Ke Meet. I would now like to call upon stage Amritpal, Gayatri, Dilipan, Swapan and Vivek. A huge round of applause for Team Man Ke Meet as well. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, we can give them a much louder round of applause. Thank you so much. The next team to come up on stage is Team Greensville Raga. I now like to call upon stage Savita, Sachi, Ulhas, Sejal and Sunil. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Team Greensville Raga as well. Our next team on stage is Team Breathless Fans. I would like to now call upon stage Nidhi, Trupti, Manjusha and Kashish. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Team Breathless Fans as well. Nidhi, Trupti, Manjusha and Kashish. I would now like to call upon stage Team Gera Niyams, Ujjwal, Nabarina, Anuradha, Avinash, Tanvi and Sunita. A huge round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Team Gera Niyams, please come on stage.
Okay, I'd like to make special mention of a few people who really I felt, I've got a little spark in today's performance. Firstly, the girl who was leading Lal Ishq, that whole team. I don't know her name. Can you please stand up, please? She. Then the lady who did the last alap in Mitwa, the blue sari. Yeah, she. Then the gentleman who was leading Mast Magan in the blue kurta. And the entire team who sang Koi Kahe. They were very surila. And Padma, can you think of anybody else who's got orange t-shirt? Of course. Dhanno. Yeah. So all these people, really, hats off to all of you all. Special mention to all you people.
And the last team for the day, Rhythm of Life, to please come on stage to collect their certificates as well. A huge round of applause for the last team for the day, Rhythm of Life. Aditi, Abhijit, Princey and Tanishka. I would now like to call upon stage Chairman of Gera Developments, Mr. Kumar Gera, to felicitate Mr. Shankar Mahadevan and give the vote of thanks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for being such a wonderful audience. I would like to call on stage Mrs. Gera as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to have the opportunity to say thank you. But I want to thank each and every one of you who have participated in the event and been present through it to encourage everyone. Matter of fact, somebody just told me, one of our esteemed customers, that, Mr. Gera, are you going to be giving the vote of thanks? I hear they've asked you. I said, yes. He said, no, we should thank you. I said, no. That has to wait. That has to wait till all our dreams about the child-centric homes become a reality. At that stage, we would love to be thanked, not today, because we are still working at it. I do hope that the interaction that has taken place in the last couple of days has led to some new friendships amongst you all. I think that is critically important, that future neighbors, present neighbors become friends and the community grows as a family. I hope we've laid some seeds for that to happen. Let me also say a big thank you to our team. There's Anita, Kajal, Nikunj, and others who, other than the beautiful song Breathless, I know they've had sleepless nights. And they've been really worried about how the event will go, and it's gone off very well, thanks to all of you and their efforts. Last but not the least, I'm going to come to you a bit later, but last but not the least, before that, Shankar's team, Padma, and Karthik, and of course, Sridhar, the man kind of behind him, who make things happen. You guys have been wonderful, your entire team, the orchestra. I mean, it's just been great. And I could get the vibes and the feeling amongst the audience, which I'm trying to convey. A big thank you to you all. May I request Sridhar and Padma to please join us here. I have a small memento for you all. Please. Annie, would you present this to them, please? And finally, what should I say about this man? Dhanyavad, muchos gracias. We are very grateful to you. We look forward to interacting with you, Shankar. We look forward to your giving joy to our customers, their children, and making this dream, a dream actually that was conceptualized and thought of by our MD Rohit, and I'm sure you'll play a very major part in making it a reality. Shankar, thank you very much for everything. Sure, can I present you with a small momentum too?
Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.